I'm working on a Python project that requires making a lot of HTTP requests asynchronously to speed things up. What library should I use?
For asynchronous HTTP requests, the aiohttp library is a great choice. It allows you to make async requests and also to build servers. It uses asyncio for concurrency.
How does aiohttp compare to other HTTP libraries like requests?
aiohttp is specifically designed for async operations, unlike requests, which is synchronous. If you're running Python 3.5+, you can write asynchronous code with the async/await syntax, which aiohttp supports natively.
I see. Could you show me a basic example of making a GET request?
Certainly. You would first need to install aiohttp using pip install aiohttp. Then here's a simple example.
That looks good. But what if I want to make multiple requests concurrently?
In that case, you'd create multiple coroutines and gather them using asyncio.gather. Here's how you'd modify the main function to do that.
What about error handling? In synchronous programs, I use try-except blocks.
The same applies here. You can wrap the request handling in a try-except block. Inside your fetch coroutine would be a good place for that.
Can you show me an example with error handling?
Of course, here's how you'd modify the fetch function.
Got it. And how about posting data?
For post requests, you'd use the post method of the session object. Here's a brief example.
This is helpful. And what if I need to add headers or authentication to my requests?
You can pass headers as a dictionary to the get or post methods. For authentication, aiohttp supports basic auth out of the box. You can use the aiohttp.basicauth class.
Excellent. Thanks for all the information.
You're welcome. Remember that aiohttp is a powerful library, and there's a lot more to explore, like client timeouts, session cookies, and much more. Be sure to check out the official documentation for more details.